Don't do it. Go down and go potty. Ignore them. Lacey, I said no. Go that way. Go that way. Lacey, hurry up and go potty, because here she comes. Hurry up and go. Go tinkle. Alright, you're not having enough time. Come here. Gotta pick you up. Do you mind? Do you mind? Really? Can I take my dog go potty? Huh? She needs to go potty. You need to stop. Here comes the other one. No, you can't have her. She might. Don't eat that. Don't. That's styrofoam. Don't eat that. Don't eat it. Good girl. Bye-bye. Lacey, stay still. Maybe hit the leash. Because I can't trust you or them. You see the other one? See the other one coming? Oh, there's two. Yeah, see, here they come. Troublemakers. Troublemaker. Why can't I take my dog potty?